Gonna draw a support. Support means the price actually found rejection from down to the upside. So that's a support. The most recent support is here, and the most resistant rejection, resistance means rejections, and the most resistant rejection is going to be around here. It looks like the forward is within this range, and if we check the daily is bullish, so we could anticipate the daily to come around this resistance as well. We could say that is a valid for a price to continue moving down there, moving up there. Is finding rejection from this recent resistance right here, where we draw resistance just now. Alright, so let's see. Resistance support, we're gonna go to 1 hour time frame and see what's going on the lower time frame. We want to buy. We want to focus on buys only as the daily is bullish. So we just want to focus on buying only. If you want to buy here, what is the 1 hour doing here? Where is our resistance? It's going to be around here as well. It's the same thing. We can bring it down a little bit around this level, put it there, and we can also put one more support for the 1 hour time frame right there. Alright, this is our 1 hour support resistance. This is the range we anticipate on a daily and the 4 hour to go to the upside. On the left we have clean range as well, and to the down we also have to check how much is it, like 87 pip, with the first target being 30 pip, which is good, no problem. We can also focus on sales, but only sell, the only sell that's going to make sense here is, yeah, I mean 30 pip, no problem, below this, and the second one will be below this one, because you have a support right here, right? You have a support right here and support right here, so your target will be only limited to this point, and then from there to this point, then continue pushing down. But for buys, I would like to buy at this point because we are bullish on a daily. So if I check the range is 170 pip range, which is quite big, so I like to see more buys than sells. So now we're gonna go and see where the price is gonna go on the 1 hour time frame, and the 30-minute time frame also. We're gonna see if our support is okay. 30-minute time frame, we can see that the resistance is a little bit about there. We have to cover that high too. Our support is looking good, no problem. Alright, let's get ready here. Okay, so if if 30-minute breaks about this high and closes, we're gonna continue buying. But if it breaks below this low and closes, we're gonna continue selling, targeting this lows, right? Alright, let's play and see what happens. Okay, right there. Right here, the 30-minute time frame has closed right here. See? So now there is the only problem we have here is this rejection right here. This is the rejection that we have, and yeah, we need to be patient here in order to continue buying. If this candle goes up and breaks the highs and break this high as well, then we may consider pushing up, right? Let's see what happens. Okay, great. We are still finding resistance from this rejection point. See what happens. Okay, coming inside the range. Okay, right there. So now now we broke about this resistance, and then we are coming back inside again. This means we are faking out. The price is faking out. This is a fake out because of this rejection, right? It's a fake out. So now if you want to sell down, we can actually consider selling down too, right? Because this was a fake out, and now the price is actually coming to this resistance, still respecting it. We're gonna see on the next 30 minutes what's gonna happen. Most likely it's gonna drive down here. We will see. Most likely it's gonna drive down. Okay, wow, look at that. All right, I think this was some sort of news or something. We can see here there is a news, right? PPPM, PPPI, I don't know. Yeah, there was some sort of news at this point. This is a news candle. We couldn't close below this one and confirm it to take down, no problem. We can still wait here. Let's see what happens. Okay, cannot still. Like, I could take a sell on this flip. I could take a sell, but yeah, it's too fast. It's too fast. Couldn't. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, we are creating support on the 30-minute time frame. We are on a bullish market, creating support, right? So that's good. So now 30-minute time frame, they are very strong, like strong confirmations, right? If price is finding support, like our recent support was right here, right? So now we brought it down to put it here. Why? Because we want to follow the most recent support. Now our most recent support is going to be here. If we break below this support with confirmations again, and we may come and fill the wick, which is 20 pip, right? We'll see. But if it actually confirms bullish, then we may continue buying too. Because it's 30-minute time frame, right? Oh wow, man, what the hell was that? What the hell was that? Oh, that's crazy. Again, buys could be initiated here when it was wicking down and go up, right? You could actually target this wick first target and then continue pushing up, right? So that's something that you could do. Now we are coming to resistance here. If we can break above these highs, now we have two choices here, right? If the 30-minute time frame, if it gets rejected and closes bearish here, then we will consider selling down, right? Let's say if the 30-minute was doing something like this. If this is 30-minute time frame on the that 30-minute days time frame is going to do something like that, then what we can do is we can look for entry in the next 30-minute time frame to target this low, right? It's a clean range to the down, 60 pip range. So, but if it breaks the highs, if it goes up, let's say if it does like something like, for example, something like this, right? If it goes up and closes about this resistance that we have on the left, then we can look for buys on the next 30-minute, knowing that we have a clean range on the left side also, right? All right, let's see. See what happens here. Let's play it. Okay, this is great, you know. So now finally we are breaking out. We are breaking out of the range and we are closing about this resistance, right? this most recent resistance, which is going to be right here. So now what I'm going to do is, because trading view candles, they move like in a, how to tell you, in a form where they will close first and then they move, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to initiate buys here. I'm going to buy right here. I'm going to put a buy, and I'm going to target this most recent resistance, right? This is going to be our resistance. This is most recent one. Can you check it? So now my TP is going to be right on that resistance, and my stop loss is going to go right below this body of the candle, because it should not break it, right? Because we have one resistance, two resistance here, one, two resistance. So this lows should not be broken easily. I mean, I can put it right here as well. Let's see what happens. All right, let's go. Okay, we're going up, coming down. All right, now my stop loss is going to go. My stop loss is going to go below this candle where it actually did liquidation, right? The liquidation part. All right. Now continue. Okay, the TP is hit, right? So now we made $6,000. We made $6,000 from this trade. Our TP got hit. What was the trade idea here? The trade idea was pretty simple, right? It wasn't really hard because we had this breakout, and then we had this candle broke out as well. Like, this breakout was enough already. Why did I take this buy? Is because look at the body of the candle. Like, even though there was a rejection, it means that on a higher time frame, it means there is a range to continue pushing up, right? So the reason for me to take this buy, because it closed above the resistance strongly. About this previous resistance where we did fake out, it closed there strongly. So now the next candle pushed up, and then the third one did liquidation. It did some sort of manipulation on lower time frame, and then continued pushing up to touch our resistance, which was our target here. And yeah, that was a trade idea basically. I could, for example, on normally I would like to wait. Normally I would like to wait for this candle to close, and then this candle to start and then go bullish. I would take trade here normally, but because trading view, the candles move like this, right? It's like it moves in a fixed form, so I cannot. It doesn't go second by second. It rather moves by, if let's say this is 30-minute candle, then it moves by 30-minute candle like that, right? So that's the reason. Okay, good. So now we hit the target already. Now what I'm gonna do is, it looks like we did close about this resistance. So now if I want to sell, I'm gonna need the 30-minute to close bearish here like this, and then take on the next 30-minute candle, right? And then take the sell. But if I want to buy now, I'm gonna wait for some sort of support to be created here on this resistance, and then we may continue pushing up, right? Because the range is still clean. The top of the range is all the way right here on the forward time frame. We draw, right? We draw that one on the forward time frame. So now we need some sort of support to be created here, all right? See what happens. All right, now we officially created support here, and this candle closed about this resistance. So now what does it mean? It means that we have a support, we have officially created a support, we created resistance, and now this candle actually closed about this resistance and support, right? So now this means we're going to continue pushing up, right? We're going to continue pushing up to the next target, because if it wanted to come down, it would come down already, right? It would come down by now and break this low and come down. But since it didn't do, it's still closed about this resistance plus about its own resistance, right? It created its own resistance there, and also we have bigger resistance or bigger time frame, which it also closed and hold. So now I'm going to take buys again. I'm going to take a buy again right here. Right here I'm going to take a buy. My profit taking is going to be probably around, what happened, man? Okay, all right. Okay, my TP is going to be like, I would say right around here. Let me check the left side to see where exactly it's going to be. Okay, right here. It looks like here. We are going based off of this, right, of this move, because there is another resistance. Can you see? So now we want to make sure our TP is actually below that. So I want to see our TP is going to be there. You just want to put your TP a little bit below the next resistance. That's all. You just have to make sure that it's not gonna be on the resistance exactly. So now my TP is gonna be below this resistance, and my stop loss is going to be probably below this low right here, around here. We'll see how it's gonna play out, but the reason I wanna put my stop right there because of this bearish candle, like because if they break that bearish candle, then we are gone, right? So let's see. All right, we are going up, good. Also I have to check how many pip that's going to be. That's 70 pip range. We are at 12 pip profit already at this point, right? If we are at 12 pip profit, usually what I like to do is I like to bring my stop to break even at 10 pip. So now I'm going to put and bring my stop exactly at this level, break even. If it wants to continue, it has to go up without stopping me out. Otherwise, I don't care, I don't need it. So let's see what happens. Oh wow, okay. So now it stopped me out on break even after 10 pip, right? After 10 pip we got stopped out, no problem. No problem at all. We still haven't lost anything, right? Because our stop was on break even. Alright, so why did I put on break even after 10 pip? This is what I do every time when my trade is at 10 pip. I like to keep it on break even. This is number one reason. Number two reason, because this candle did not have a bottom wick, right? If you look at this candle right here, we did not have a bottom wick. So if we did not have a bottom wick here, what can happen is this candle can come and create bottom wick and then go up, or it can come down like that to fill the whole range, right? So that was the idea for me to keep my stop loss on break even. So now we have another resistance right there, and we have a support right here. Now if we break down, if the price breaks down, I'm going to sell down. I'm going to sell below here all the way to this target. But if it breaks up, again the same idea is still valid to continue pushing down, right? But we're gonna have to be patient here. We're gonna have to be patient for the 30-minute candle to confirm them, right? Okay, let's go see what happens. Okay, 30-minute candle broke, did not close. Okay, close, not bottom wick, right? This one did close, but no bottom wick. No bottom wick means there is no range to drive down, right? If this, you see this candle, it closed without a bottom wick. If there is no bottom wick on the 30-minute candle, like taking sells would be very dangerous. Taking sells would be dangerous because there is no range to drive down the price, right? If there is no range to drive down the price, then the price may very well not go down. So that's the reason we don't take a sell. And this candle is going up, close bullish. Okay, fine. You see what? Actually, we could see how many 14. Okay, now 14 pip range. I was thinking about buying here. You know, like I wanted to take a buy here, right now. I don't know. Should I take it or not? Like because it's like right now, if I put buy order right now, for example, if I put buy order, it's gonna be 17 pip around there, and the stop loss is going to be 13 pip. Okay, you know what? Let's go. Let's buy that. We're gonna buy. We're gonna put one buy order. All right, no problem. No problem. Our stop loss is below, a little bit below that, because we don't want it to come. It may come create bottom wick and then go up. Our TP is going to be about this high. Actually, let's keep the TP a little high there. Let's see what happens. If they come there, usually what happens in the market is, this was a manipulation. I mean, this was a fake out, and then they came down, right? So now if they are going up, chances are this is going to be distribution. If this is a distribution, then they may continue pushing up to our target, initial idea, right? So now I don't want to put my TP here. Let's see if it can go up here. I just want to see what happens. Oh, whoa, no, man. What the hell happened here? Wow. Wow. That was crazy, man. Holy moly. Oh no. They stopped us out. That's crazy. What is going on here? Oh my god. Well. That was some crazy manipulations right there. No problem. Let's see what is happening here. No problem. Okay, you know what? No problem. It's okay. Small loss. The idea is still valid though. The idea is still valid right here. I mean, like I know, right? Like this was a 17 pip move. Probably this was some sort of news, maybe, because it was like around 2 o'clock. This is not normal move in the market, right? It doesn't move like that. Some sort of manipulation, something going on here. The general idea is still valid though. Still valid because we're in a bullish trend, right? It still came down and respect this support. We are still going to focus on a buy here. I just need 30 minutes to close. Let's see. Oh wow, 2 times. Okay, now we close 30-minute bullish here, right? If we close 30-minute bullish right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one more buy here, all right? Because they already came 2 times. This is a huge weak rejections, right? So now if this is the 2-time rejection, I'm probably going to double up my position here, and it looks good right now. This would be a higher time frame liquidation to continue pushing up. So now at this point I'm going to take the buys again here. But my stop loss is going to be below this range right now, right here. Not below this candle, rather below the range. And my TP is going to be right around that level. Let's see what happens. Let us see what happens. The most resistance was there. I think it was here, right? Somewhere around here. Yeah, that looks good. That should be okay. Let's go. See what happens. Okay. Oh wow. Look at that, man. It came so close to my TP. Look at that. It came very close to the TP here. And I'm thinking to close the position or leave it here. I don't know what to do, man. Let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave it. It's fine, no problem. Because the body of the candle is quite strong, right? The bullish, right? In a bullish trend on a 30-minute time frame. Even if it wants to come down, right? It has to create a top wick to continue coming down, right? It has to grab liquidity from top side. No problem. Let's go. See if we can hit that TP right here. Okay, good. Now we hit the TP, right? We hit the TP. We recovered our loss plus $5,000 profit. Nice. Okay. So yeah. So at this point, we are probably finding some sort of resistance here. Now we're going to delete all our analysis again. We're going to create fresh analysis here. We're going to go to 4-hour time frame and see what's up there, because we had some sort of resistance here. Probably we had resistance here. Okay, we did create support on the 4-hour right here. This was our support on the 4-hour. We do have some sort of resistance around here, right? The 4-hour close, we are finding some sort of resistance right here based off of this. Okay, if this is the case, we're gonna go to 1-hour time frame again. Let's see what's up here. This is probably Asian market at this point, 3 o'clock. If that is the resistance, that is the resistance, brother. Yeah, we're gonna need the 1-hour closure probably about this high, which already did. No problem. Right around there, we're gonna need 1-hour closure right there, and then we may anticipate the price to go right around here, right, which is good. It's gonna be our support and resistance, but we need the 1-hour to close about this. Okay, we need the 1-hour to close about this in order to continue pushing up. Or 30-minute time frame, no problem. I think we can do that too. Let me check it on the 30-minute time frame if it makes sense. 30-minute time frame, close bullish. I'm getting my ideas based off of this thing, based off of this mirror here. Okay, we tap, no problem. Even though it was bearish, it tapped. It's looking good here. Okay, yeah, this range is a tradable range to the upside because we are bullish. So it's like 44 pips. Let's see what happens on the 30-minute time frame. We need 30-minute time frame to close about this resistance. That's all we need, right? That's all we need right now. Or 30-minute time frame to close below this. Right now it's closing already. If the next 30-minute wicks up and breaks this low, then we can also push down, right? We'll see how they're gonna do that. Let's see. Okay, we did wick up, we did come down, but we respected the low, right? We didn't break yet, so I cannot take a sell, right? No problem. No sells. It did close, but still the resistance is right there, so no buys as well. We are waiting. All right. Closing, respecting. Okay, right there, nice. So now we did close about this resistance, which is very good, right? Which is very good. If we take a buy here, 24 pips with 30 pips stop. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to need this candle to flip and break this high to continue pushing up, maybe, right? If it happens, we're gonna take a buy. Let's go. Okay, it didn't. All right, it didn't. It's respecting. All right. So now it looks like our resistance is going to go about this high now, right? Now this resistance is going to be officially about that. Officially about that. Why last time? Why I didn't take it from here? Because we did fresh analysis on the 4-hour time frame, right? We wanted to see where the range is from this high, right? From this high on the 4 hour time frame, and then that's the reason I did not take this one as a most resistant first, but I take this one, which still played out though. It looks good. Anyways, let's see. We have a resistance, we have a support right here. So now, if we break this low, we may continue pushing down. If we break this high, we may continue pushing down, right? See what happens? Okay, coming down, good. We are still in a bullish trend here, right? Creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Unless we do break below this low, we cannot sell. It may reject and go up, right? Because bullish trend. But if the trend breaks, the trend is going to break below this higher low, right? If this higher low gets broken and confirmed on the 30-minute time frame, then we may continue pushing down to this range, to fill up this range, most probably, right? Most likely that's what's gonna happen here. Maybe around here too, right? Like this is gonna be our first support, and then second like that. I see. Okay, respecting resistance, coming down. We are ranging basically at this point is 9 a.m., 10 a.m. London is going to open soon. Now, if London is going to open soon, you're going to anticipate some volumes to come and break this range, right? London is opening at, actually it's open, right now it's open. Is it open? Yes, it's open already. This is we are on Monday, London is open, all right, let's go. See what happens here. We're gonna have to wait for the closures below support or above resistance to initiate buys or sells. All right. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. All right. So now we have something happening here, isn't it? There's something happening right now as we speak. Amazing. This is what we are waiting for. So now we did close on the 30-minute time frame, right? If the next 30 minutes wicks up and comes down, I'm gonna take a sell. Right now I'm gonna initiate a sale right here, because if I just go off of TradingView Live to take a buy or sell, it's gonna be like that, right? It's gonna go down very fast or up very fast. So now I'm going to take a sell here. Let's take a sell. I'm going to probably go 2 lots here. Let's see. My stop loss is going to go about... My stop loss is probably going to go about the previous candle on the bullish one, because this one does not have top wick. And my TP is going to come down all the way to this support, right here, because there is a support, right, minus support. First TP is here, of course. I mean, like, your first TP has to be around here, but because I cannot control these candles on the TradingView simulation, so now I'm gonna keep it here no matter what. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, they stopped. Got stopped out here. Crazy. Crazy, man. But this is the thing, right? Let's say if I was just going off of live, look at this. Why did I lose here? Normally, for example, I do wait for this candle to come and break these lows in order for me to take a trade, right? Or flips, wicks up and then flips and then come down. But because I cannot control TradingView, I took a sell without this candle, right? This candle was not present. But normally, what I do on the live trade is, I wait for this to wick up and then come and break the lows, and I'm going to take a sell. which is still valid though. We'll see. There is no bottom wick, right? At any given point, this candle is gonna come down. The next one is gonna come down, and create bottom wick here. So if they close bearish doing that, then we may initiate sales as well. Okay, all right, perfect. We came down again. We did close again, right? We did close again. We did create the bottom wick. Now I'm gonna take another sell here, right here. I'm gonna take 2 more cells, and the TP is going to be right around here again. The stop loss is going to go about the active candle, right? About that, right there. You're gonna put stop loss. Gonna go off of that. Go. See what happens. Okay, perfect. So now this is officially we are in sales. Okay, I would take a sell even like this. I would take a sell, for example, no problem. I would still take a sell even when we are like this, right? So now let's see what happens. Okay, let's stay in the trade. Let's go. What happens? Can we come down here? Okay, nice. All right, amazing. So now we hit the TP, right? We hit exactly the TP. Why did I put my TP here? The only reason I put my TP here is because of course I would take maybe some profit at this level, definitely, but because this trading view you cannot close partial, so I had to keep it, and this was the main reason why I put it there. Why did I put it there? The main reason is because of that, because there is a resistance, right? This resistance becomes support. If the price is coming down, this resistance could turn into support. That's why. Okay, perfect trade. All right, we made $6,000, no problem. Let's go. We covered the loss, plus we also in profit for today. All right, now what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. So now we're gonna have to forward it to London session again. We're gonna go to London session here. All right, is it London session? Okay, 6 a.m. right? 6 a.m. no problem. Okay, we're at 6 a.m. now. We're gonna do another fresh analysis here. Right here. Gonna delete everything. Gonna go and do fresh analysis. Fresh analysis means what? It means you're just gonna have to go to 4-hour time frame. I mean, check the daily. I mean, you can see the daily, right? The daily is like consolidating. 4-hour means daily, right? It's bullish. Basically, we are bullish. All right, you don't need to go to daily. You just need to watch the 4-hour. And okay, we have a resistance right here on the 4-hour time frame, and we have a support right here on the 4-hour time frame. If this is the case, we are going to go to 1-hour time frame and see what is going on. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, it looks like our support was here, most recent one, right? Most recent one right here, and resistance would be right up there. All right, you can put it right here also, but I think this is a tradable range. That's why I did not put there. It's like 27 pip range, so I will trade it actually. I do not put here because I want to take a trade below this, right? Okay, this is 1-hour time frame, and we also have some sort of minor resistance right here, right? We have minor resistance right here. It's creating some sort of minor resistance at this level as well. We are basically consolidating. If this trend is like more than 30 pip, I'm going to take a buy. Okay, 40 pip range. This means if this is 40 pip range to the up, if we are 40 pip range, it's a tradable range, right? Looking to the left, what we can see? Looking to the left, what we can see is this range is clean, right? On the 1-hour time frame. It's just there is one rejection here, which is a little problematic right here, right? We have minor rejections, which is a bullish also. It's not a concerning, but it's a rejection. Close bullish, right? Rejected from that level to close bullish, which means it's not really strong. Anyways, we're gonna go to 30-minute time frame to see how we can initiate buys here. I want to buy, right? I want to continue buying here. So now if I want to take a buy, I have to break this high, right? This rejection is a problematic on the 30-minute time frame. We have to close about that, or we have to break it, like, you know, let's see what happens. I'm talking about this rejection, all right? This one. There is a rejection there. It's gonna be a problem, so we're gonna wait. All right. Okay, we close. All right, see. Okay, perfect. Amazing, actually. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do here? I'm gonna buy here. This is amazing confirmation, right? Like, we should continue pushing up, even though there is some problems on the 30-minute time frame. Let's say if you go to 30-minute time frame, you can see that on the 30-minute time frame, where is my tool, man? Okay, on the 30-minute time frame, you can see this confirmed. This may become problematic with this one. So now, in order to be sure that this will not be a problem, we're gonna look at the 1 hour time frame. All right, we're gonna look at the 1 hour time frame to see what's up with the range there. On the 1 hour time frame, it looks like clean, right? It looks clean. So if it's clean on the 1 hour time frame, then we can say on the next candle, this is going to wick down and then go up, I'm gonna buy. But because I cannot do that on pre-trading view, I'm gonna just take a buy now. Whatever happens, doesn't matter. I'm buying right now, and I'm going to put my TP probably around, yeah, man, probably around this high right here. No problem. Right there. I'm gonna put, how many pip is it going to be? Let me check first, because I cannot manage 20 pip. 20 pip, okay, no problem, I will take that. And my stop loss is going to be below the previous reddish candle. Let's see. Or we can keep it right there, right? Just keep it right up there, because last time we did go up without stopping, right? So mirroring these two moves, we can actually say that this also should continue pushing up at this point, right? What's the reason it should come down? Oh, what the hell? Wow, okay, it came down and stopped me, no problem. Alright, we're gonna initiate again. But this is the thing, right? I like, in a live trade, I would wait for this candle to wick down and then break the previous candle's high. In this example, it came down, it never broke the high, right? But because I'm trading view, I cannot control it, so I have to take a buy. But we know what's happening here, right? No problem. Again, we went up and closed bullish. I'm gonna initiate again buy. This time 2 more. I'm gonna take 2 more buys, because I think that this was manipulation again to continue pushing up, right? So now what we can do is we're gonna put our TP right there. Our stop loss is gonna be below the active candle. 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, which is not bad. Let's go. Okay, we are moving here. Oh wow, good. We hit the TP. We hit the TP, man. Amazing. So now we recovered our losses, plus we made profit the same way we did, because we doubled up our position, right? We doubled it up, alright? So that's good. That's very, very good. Okay, at this point we're at 11 o'clock. London is opening now. London session is opened. Now we can expect some volume. Let me delete these lines again one more time to create fresh analysis. I'm gonna create some more fresh analysis here. We're gonna go for 1 hour time frame, right? I like to draw my layers on the 1 hour time frame. It looks good. Okay, if this is the case right now, we're gonna go and draw our resistance right here. This is our resistance, and our support seems to be right around here, right on the 1 hour time frame. So now if this is our support, this is our resistance, what we can initiate is a closure. Again a closure about this high means we're gonna continue pushing up, and a reverse means you need 30-minute candle to close bearish, and 1 hour also should close bearish. Since the 4 hour is bullish at this point, we need 1 hour to close bearish also. Then we're gonna take on the next one to continue pushing down to target this low, right? Either up or down. But now I have to identify where is my next target here, right? I need to see where is my next target. My next target seems to be for buying. It seems to be right around here. It seems to be right around this level, right? This is the level that we're gonna target for buys. Our sell target is clear. We're gonna come down here, very clear, no problem. And the next target for sell, if we break this low, then it's gonna be right here, right? All right, let's go. Now we're gonna go to 30-minute time frame and watch for this to play out. Okay, let's go. Okay, 30-minute finding support. All right, we did close about this on the 30-minute time frame. Now if we close about this on a 30-minute time frame, what it means is we are going to push up, right? There's no problem here. I don't see any problem, like it should continue pushing up. So now if I put my line here and then check the price based off of those levels, it has pushed up. All right, my first target is probably going to be, I want to identify my first target. Where is my first target here? Went up. We go up to our target. It looks like right here we have one support. Seems to be around here. Went up. Okay, that's the first target. I think we are looking good. Yeah, that's the first target right there. I'm gonna buy right now. Normally, again, I have to repeat this, okay? Normally we have to wait for this candle to close, which it did already, right? And then wait for the next candle to wick down and then break the highs. Then we can anticipate the price to continue pushing up, right? That's confirmation. It's like creating higher high and higher low and then creating higher high again, right? This is the same idea. It's nothing new here. It's just candle. I'm doing it based off of candlestick. That's all. The idea is the same. So now I'm going to take a buy here. Take a buy, 2 buys. Our stop loss is going to be below the previous candle. Our TP is going to be right there. And we're going to continue now. Let's see. Okay, we are in profit. Our first target should get hit. All right, nice. We hit the first target. Normally when I hit the first target, what I do is I take 50% off of my from my position and then keep the rest on break even. But because I cannot do it on TradingView, so yeah, it is what it is. The final target is going to be around here. Now let it continue. We are at 1 o'clock here, pre-New York session. See what happens? We need to find support to continue pushing up, that's all. Okay, wow, alright, nice. If the 1 hour actually closed here, if the 1 hour closed bearish, we need the 1 hour to close bearish now. We need the 1 hour to close bearish to consider sell as well, right? Alright, nice. We found resistance, right? We found resistance on the 30-minute time frame. We have support, perfect. We have resistance, which is about there as well. Okay, good. If we break about this high, it's going to go where? Let me bring my resistance a little low, below this low. I need to check the 1 hour time frame also. Yeah, I think it's good. The 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it's looking good. So now we found resistance, we found support, we found resistance. Now what we're gonna do is, if we break the highs and close about this, we can continue pushing up to our next target, which is going to be around 19 pip range, right here, right around here is going to be 20 pip, and then I would assume it would go up also, like 35 pip. Yeah, it's going to be okay. If we close about that high, we should continue pushing up. If we break below this low, that's going to be 30 pip range also, which is good too, which is good, no problem. I can take that. I can take that, brother. I can take that, no problem. No problem at all. We can take that. Let's go see what happens here. Okay, we close bullish. We close bullish, not how big, is it? We did close bullish though. We did close bullish, nice. Amazing. It's just the problem is no topic. It may come down, right? Oh wow. Okay. Holy moly. Holy moly here. What's happening here? What is happening here? Okay, I mean, like, it was nice buy though. I could buy it too, but no topic. This no topic actually turned me off. So, but it was a buy, right? I mean, if I bought here, I could just easily win. No problem. No problem. Again, we have to go to 1 hour time frame and see what's up there. See what's up right there. It looks like we may have resistance here on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Our support gonna be right here. Our target right there. All right. Not bad. In order to continue pushing up, we may need to find support and then continue pushing up. All right. Oh wow, 30-minute time frame came down. 30-minute time frame came down here, finding resistance. Question is, how much is this week for 16p, which is not enough, right? We officially found resistance. What is the 1 hour doing? 1 hour close bearish. Wow, okay. Alright, interesting. So now at this point, I might consider selling here, right? Because 1 hour closed bearish. If we can wick up, and then come down, we can sell, right? Okay, you know what, I'm gonna take a sell right here, no problem. Stop loss is going to be about that resistance. TP is going to be probably I'm going to put my TP around this level right here. Should I put it right there? I can put it right here, no problem. Let's see what happens, man. Okay, oh, what the hell was that, man? Okay, so yeah, that was a good sell. Why I did that? Because 1 hour closed bearish, and the 30 minute actually did close bearish on the resistance, right? Strong resistance. So strong resistance, 30 minute closing bearish means what? Means sell, right? It means sell. That's what it means. Okay, let's go. What happens now? We're gonna forward it. We are at 5:30. New York session open. Okay. I'm gonna be selling below this. Clean range. Buys about this high would make sense. 100%. To continue pushing up. Yeah, man, makes sense. No problem. Can do that. What about this range itself? How much is this pip? 22 pip. Could we initiate buys here? That's the question. 30 minute close weak bullish. Let's see what happens. Okay. Alright. Okay, right there. You see that? You see what I'm saying right there now? It's closed strong bullish. So now if this is closing strong bullish, can we take a buy here? 22 pip range. I'm gonna check the 1 hour here. Okay, 1 hour is clean. Yeah, man, let's take a buy. Stop loss below the candle. So below the candle, TP is going to be about right there. Right there. Okay, let's go. See what happens here. Strong bullish candle. Okay. Oh wow, we are coming back here. That doesn't look good. Oh my god, okay, we got stopped out, no problem. It was not tradable range anyways, just... Okay, so now you see what happened here? It just closed below this. Right? It closed below this. And this was a sell, right? We are late already, no problem. We are late for this sell. 30-minute time frame closed here. The next one broke. If the next one broke the low, that was a sell. You could take a sell at 10 pip. You keep it on break even, right? No problem. So now you're gonna remove this line. You're gonna wait for support to be created to continue pushing up, because we are still in bullish trend, right? Overall this trend is bullish, so let's see. Creating support, touching that point. Oh wow, okay, wait, right there, wait, right there, we're gonna buy, bro. Should you buy or not? It closed about this resistance right here. Close about this resistance. Our first idea, right? When we lost just now. So if we close here, we should continue pushing up, right? I'm taking this idea based off of this one, right? This mirror right there to the left. Okay, let's buy. And then we're gonna continue pushing up. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Right there. Right there. That's our TP. That's our TP. Our TP hit. Now we're gonna close it manually right here. We recovered our loss at least. All right. TP hit. We recovered. No problem. Done. Finished. All right. Very, very good. Trade is done. So now, if we want to buy more, you see we have this rejection to the left side. If we buy, we have this rejection, which is 6 pips away, right? So buying would be a bit dangerous right now. But if we break this wick, if we break it, then we're gonna continue pushing up, okay? But for that, we need to see what's gonna happen now. All right, let's go. Did we break the wick? Not yet, right? Okay, not yet. Cannot buy yet. Cannot initiate buy yet. Not just yet. Okay. We find resistance officially. Alright, good. This is our resistance. Our support will be right here. Okay, so now this is a tradable range, right? 100%. 100% tradable range right here. 60 pip range. Okay, if the next 30 minute breaks this low, we're gonna take a sell, but I'm gonna take a sell right now because I can. If it goes down, it's gonna go down fast, right? Even if it goes down. Trading you sucks, man. Sell right there. See what happens. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I think right here that we have minor support. I'm going to close my position right there, and then continue. Let's see what's gonna do. Oh wow, it keeps dropping. It looks like we may find the support here. Now this is 12 o'clock, so 12 o'clock pre-New York session. We have some sort of minor resistance right there. Let's see. Okay, right there, the range is not good, so I would like to buy about this high. I like to execute about that high. I'm not going to trade in this range. If we break this support, then we could come down, right? Let's see. Three o'clock, New York, open at this point. We are oh my god, what the hell, what happened here, man? Okay. Alright, I think this was not lucky day. Gonna have to put our support right there. Gonna sell below that, because the support is here, right? If we can break that, then we can go. Okay, we are finding support resistance on the 30-minute time frame. This is a resistance. That's gonna be our support. So now if we break about this high and confirm, then we can continue pushing up, right? Right, let's go. Okay, oh, what the hell? Wow, hey, what's happening? Okay, this candle did close, very good, but the stop loss is too big, right? So we need to wait for one more candle to close. Okay, perfect. So now if the next candle breaks the highs, then I would assume that it's going to continue pushing up at 10 pip. You want to be careful and then continue pushing up to the 30 pip range. Alright, let's take a buy here. I'm gonna take 2 buys. The stop loss is gonna be here. The TP is going to be around, where should we go with TP? Around right there, right? 1 to 2, no problem. Oh, what the hell was that? What's going on here? Okay, we got stopped out. We're gonna buy again because we are respecting this, right? We are close bullish, strong bullish. Gonna buy again 2-3 times this time because of the recovery. Stop loss again below this low. TP again below that high. Can we continue here? Okay, we hit the TP, nice. Very, very good. We hit the TP, we recovered our loss, and we had the money too. We are up $38,000, okay? $38,000 for the day. So yeah, man, that's it, I think, for today. We traded all these sessions. It is 6 o'clock. If we can have another entry, maybe we will take it. If not, I think it's done for the day. And yeah, man, this was our little short session of gold trading. That's all. Done deal, that's it. I hope you find some useful informations. Any questions, you can comment below. We're gonna do the same thing tomorrow, and we're gonna continue every day. Thank you, and see you later. Basically, that's it for today. Thank you.